Hi, Tabby. Oh, look at the pretty kitty. Oh, so fluffy. Oh, let me fix that. Look at you. You look at your beautiful mane. Your beautiful, beautiful fur. Adorable and glows in the light. Look at those beautiful green eyes. That beautiful little pink nose. You're a perfect kitten and you know that. Yeah. Go to sleep. Rock-a-bye kitty in the treetop. When the wind blows, the sure, cradle. The cradle will rock. When the bough breaks, the cradle will fall. And down will come kitty, cradle and all. But you'll land on your feet because you're a cat. Good night. Boop. Come on. Boop. There we go. Good night. Good night. Have a good nap.